Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today I have the 2023 Freedom Mastery Law of Attraction Planner. So this just came in the mail today, and it has 248 life-changing pages. So I got a color that I have not yet had, so let's open it up. I am so excited. This is a new color, which is a lavender, I believe. So here is the Law of Attraction Planner, a 12-month journey to creating a dream life, 2023. So the color is just beautiful. It's a light lavender and it has coppery design. And let me see if I can see what it says. I am intelligent. I am joyful. I am full of love. I love myself. I forgive and let go easily. The more I give, the more I receive. I am prosperous in every day. And some more sayings, but if you get it, I'll let you surprise yourself. So here is the cover. It comes in this pretty lavender, and I don't know if this comes out. It looks a little gold on screen, but this is actually like a rose gold. Very pretty. It has the moons and stars. It's so pretty. The material is soft and flimsy, so it's not hard. I've had one before that was kind of hard and it just didn't feel right for me. I like the flexibility of the bending. And here are the goodies, which is a thank you for your purchase, an opinion card, calendar stickers, 2023 more calendar stickers, some little dots. And here are some Law of Attraction sayings. Let go and trust the universe. I experience miracles daily. Abundance flows in my life with ease and grace. Road trip. I approve myself. Super cute, super fun. I am grateful for, so I guess you can take this off and fill in what you're grateful for, your shopping list, your victories, all kinds of fun things. Fun little goodies. As always, in the Freedom Mastery, you get the quote by Gandhi. Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. And keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. This is also in a coppery or rose gold. What is the side color? Oh, rose gold. I don't know if this comes off. There we go. And a place for a pen. And a pocket in the back, which has the Law of Attraction Secrets, 8 proven steps to manifesting your dream life. So this will help. Keep that there. And you can put some stickers here if you wish. And then this is your bookmark, which is nice. So it stays. Love it. Okay, so the paper is nice and thick and very silky. And on your opening, you have your life statement, your mission statement, and this planner belongs to. You can scan here for a free bonus gift. Here it looks like you have notes. Now this is what's very interesting about this book. It's kind of like a little roadmap. You go and you start at 1, 2, 3, and as you go along, when you're working in the book, it sort of help guides you. So for instance, your awareness and self-discovery is pages 12 and 13, and it's there where you will find your life purpose. So if you go to 12 and 13, it's like right here, and you answer these questions, the most important life questions. To do this exercise, use a timer and give yourself a maximum of 90 seconds for each question. Now, I have had this book for several years, and the first 2 years, I probably did the timer, but then I didn't use the timer anymore. I didn't feel like it was necessary. It's mainly there to make sure you think of what's going off the top of your head, not necessarily, I don't think it's crucial, but, you can do what you want. I don't like using the timer. The questions are like, how do I want to grow? Where am I going? And how do I want to be remembered when I'm gone? If I achieve all my life goals, how would I feel? How can I feel that all along the way? So then you can define and craft your vision statement. So the roadmap is fun. It's fun to follow. I, again, don't necessarily follow it to a T. Sometimes I will just go through my book and I'll just reread things, and then I take my time answering all of these questions and what to do, because I have a whole year and I don't feel like everything has to be done. So I just do it the way I want to do it. These seem thicker than they were before. This is nice paper. Ooh. Here is my bookmark, which I love. Circle or highlight your 5 most important one-year goals. Choose 5 top goals from what you have listed that you want to achieve in 1 year. Get rid of blocks and distractions. Here you have a journey page. Where am I now? Where am I going? How do I get there? You have spiritual, personal development, relationships, career, financial, health, free time, and family. Calendar. And I believe this is where you can put your dream board. Feel the present. Hold the vision or vision board. Let go of resistance. Enjoy the journey. Trust the process. And know that all is well. I am so grateful that should be fun. Strategy, skills, habits, people. Skills I want to master to achieve my goals. So you could write what you want to master and how and from whom you can learn these. Say if you wanted to crochet and you had a really good friend who crocheted a lot, you could of course obviously put crochet, and then you could put your friend's name. Or if you were in college and you have a professor that can really help guide you, that would be nice as well. Who am I surrounded by? People who influence me in a negative way? Positive people I'll spend more time with. So this is interesting. Like if you're not having a really good day, you certainly don't want to call someone who's negative. So yeah, put their name there. Okay, create a new supportive story. Write down the reasons why you believe you are not yet successful. What is holding you back? What limiting beliefs are holding you back? Why do you believe that you are not good enough? So with this, you could even just do one aspect in your life that you're not successful with, whether it's keeping your plants alive, or you don't quite have that job yet, or you want a better relationship, say with your spouse or your parents or your child. That could be interesting. Here you can put bigger goals into smaller goals, starting with 3-month goals, year goals, 3-year goals. Like say, in the next 3 years you need to get another car. You know, you could put that there. And it's not that you have to really think about it now, but it helps you keep things in mind of maybe saving some money specifically and putting some money aside in your savings. Lifetime goals, my why, and my rewards. Okay, here you have a daily action plan, my 1-year goals, my daily feel-good plan. Do you do yoga? Do you like lemon with water? My daily habits. Okay, so here we go. And now it begins with the monthly. So here is January, New Year's Day, and it's got the whole month. And then it has desired goals for this month. So like say you wanted to redo your closet, you could put that there, and action steps to take. You could get some donation boxes. You could get new hangers to make everything look fresh. So little actions you can take. Here's the goal for January. If you have just one goal that you really want to concentrate on for the month, you could put that there. And then if you achieve it, there's like a little reward thing. So you could say, okay, this month I want to make sure I go walking 3 times a week for the entire month. Say if you achieved it, you could go get a pedicure, and that would be fun. Here is an open area where you can brainstorm, or you could put ideas. You could just list what you're grateful for. You could just draw a picture. You could do a flow chart or a mind map, or you could just put a quote. This is just a little free space. That's nice. Okay, and then it begins with your daily. So you have your month calendar and some desired goals, and then you have your days, which are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these are days 1 through 7, and on these days you sort of do it, you break it down by weeks. You have a week's priority, and you have a to-do list. You can do a positive habit maker. Like say if you did your exercise on Sunday and Tuesday and Thursday or whatever, you could check it off. And then there's space for you to add more. You have another free space that you can put some stickers or some quotes or whatever motivates you here. These have times. If you have appointments and you want to fill them in on the actual times, you can do that. Some people block these out with stickers because it causes too much anxiety to think of it that way. Anything you want, you can just sort of make this your own. Okay, so for January, it keeps going until the end, which is the 31st. Now what it does is it picks up the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of February, but you will receive a February calendar, and then it'll finish off like the 5th, like that. I guess they just do that to keep it organized. So at the end of the month, you get to reflect on your month. Sometimes I do this, and sometimes I don't. I don't feel like I have to fill everything out. It's too much for me. But there are times when I do, and there are some times when I just forget because I don't want to think about it, and I will do the next month. So it's your choice, whatever you want. But anyways, on the end of each month, they have a reflect on your month. They have a little quote. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. That's nice. So you can celebrate your top 10 achievements in the month. Then it says to close your eyes, visualize and be grateful for each of your achievements. I think, what did I learn this month? What were my blocks? What were my fears? Was I distracted? How did I make myself feel good? Did you buy a new blouse? Did you read a really good book? These aren't heavy things, they're just light things. What did not happen and why? People I learned from and who inspired me. What actions can I take to improve? And then they have this, was I in harmony? Hours of exercise, fun time, new habits, mentors, that's kind of neat. What are the greatest insights that I've gained over the past month? What obstacles or fears did I encounter inside myself? What did I learn from watching my emotional vibration daily? What was the most common negative emotion? How did I accept it, let go, and move up the emotional scale? And then you have free page, all the possibilities of writing fun things, or notes, or pictures, or anything. Leave it blank if you want. So then you go to February, and then you have the dailies, and then there's March. So let's go on to the end. There's July. Oh, here are the bookmark ribbons, which are nice. So say if you were working on these and you want to come back to it, you have that. And let's start with January. There we go. That's nice. Okay. Where are we now? December 2023, which is the 30th. Sunday, December 31st, which is the last day of the year. And then it gives you January 2024, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, up to the 6th. Just to finish out that week, reflect on your month of December, ideas and notes, and then they have reflect on your year. So you have all these months at the end of the month where you could do your achievements and things, and then on your year. Celebrate my top 10 achievements this year. Close your eyes, visualize, and be grateful for each one of your achievements. What did I learn this year? What events, books, or movies impacted me the most? I like that. What were my 5 happiest, empowering moments? What were the most challenging situations this year, and how did I grow from them? What little things did I enjoy the most during my day-to-day life? What do I still want to release or let go of? Or what or who do I want to forgive? What am I most grateful for this year? And here it says design your next year. What is my most important goal for next year? So you can make a few little notes here. That should be fun. There's your empty pages. Look at them all. You could write poetry. You could design a floor plan for your house. You could make notes. So many fun things to do with all this paper. Okay, and then one of my favorite things is at the end of the book, they always give you a map. I love this map. So they have the top 20 places I love to visit. So you could put those down, or you could put down the ones you want to visit, or the places you have visited. So this is, I always love this. And then on the back, you have the full map, which is nice. And again, your pocket. And the beautiful, beautiful Freedom Mastery Law of Attraction. If you have used the Law of Attraction Planner in the past, leave a comment below and tell me the things that you really like about it, or if this is something you're thinking about getting or wanting to do. If you have any questions, please leave the questions below and I will do my best to answer them. But the one thing I want to leave you guys with today is how pretty and flexible and soft, it's kind of suede-y, this beautiful planner is. Welcome 2023 soon. I cannot wait to fill this planner up with all that we have. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time on Sugar Hiccups. Bye-bye.